Good afternoon. Thank you for tuning in to our video today. Do I have something that's really special for you? If you are a Corvette fan like I am, this is going to steal your heart. This is what we're all looking for. What am I talking about? How about a 1967 427? Get this. Are you ready for it? 435 L89. Is it the real thing? Not the L89. They only made 16 of those. And if you're anywhere from, say, $500,000 to $1 million, you're not going to get one. So what do I have? I have an original from the factory, 427 car, 4-speed. It is the real deal, okay? Now, that being said, it is not a numbers matching car. Original block, have no idea. The block that's in this is a Corvette 427 block 66, all right? There is no difference between the 66 and the 67 blocks. They're exactly the same. That being said, it is a factory car. Now, it does have the tri-power setup. That means you have the 3650 and the 3659 carb setup. Now, here's the big one. Are you listening? Are you listening? All right. It has the L89 aluminum heads, original heads. These aren't some aftermarket job. These are the real deal. Now, when you're looking at the car, it is all there. Everything that you are looking for to identify this as a 427 big block car. What am I talking about? Look at the rear. It has the large yoke. It has the rear sway bar. Look at the dash. You have the red line tack. You also have the 80 PSI oil pressure gauge. Those are available in the big block cars. It is there. This is fully restored. Interior is all new. This top is so new, I am not putting it down. Don't ask me to put it down. There's not one single wrinkle in it. We all know about those plastic rear windows. It is not happening on my watch. It is new, 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 new. Now, that being said, let's talk a little bit more about what these cars are. They come with a Muncie M21 4-speed. If you're doing an investment car, that is what you need. The car does have the side pipes. Are they original? Good luck telling, right? These cars were set up either way. It does have them. It also has the original DC rally wheels, and they are coated. Everything on this car is proper. All right. Now, I know that you're excited about the car. I want to give you a little story, okay? And it works like this. I have a friend in New York, New York. That means he's from the Big Apple. This is how he talks. I'm not going to try to do a New York accent for you. But there's a reason for this, okay? And we'll get to it in a second. He'll call up and say, Sean, I want you to fly out. I got a limo. It'll pick you up. And then I'm going to take you to the party. Everybody you need to know is there. 2 clues. You have to listen to people when they talk. The first one is the limo. He's telling you how to dress. Second, he's telling you people you need to know are there. Means it's a business. Means come prepared. Now, when you're at the party and you're meeting people, this is the kicker. He will go, Sean, are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? Are you paying attention? That's your clue that you're about to get into a business negotiation with him. You've got to be on your game. So, here it is. Are you ready for it? Are you listening? Are you listening to me? Are you? The owner of this car, I'm not going to give his name out, when they were doing the NCRS judging for these Corvettes, he is not only one of the original judges that they flew across the nation to judge these cars, he was one of the original instructors that actually taught the judges what to look for on these cars. This is his personal car. That means it is at that level. All right? So if you are a serious buyer and you want to put something in this car, you let me know. I'll contact him. The two of you can talk. Any question, doesn't matter how small, believe me, this guy has the answer. Now, there you go. I said my piece. Let's get to this cool video. Let's look at the car. I know you're going to have questions. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. There will be no less than 80 photos of this car. Everything has been photographed. All right, let's get to this video. What a beautiful car. I told you, this is it. It doesn't happen every day. They're extremely rare to find. This is not a clone. This is the real deal. This is an original factory 427 Muncie M21 4-speed car. It is all there. Everything is proper. So, remember, you can talk to the owner. He'll tell you everything about it. He is an expert. And that's kind of an understatement. He lives and breathes Corvettes. So if you have any questions, he is the man. So let's get to the business side of everything. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Our website, remember, there's over 80 photos of this car on the website, so check it out. It's pantherroadclassics.com. Thank you again. I will see you at our next video.